Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Jaya and through my channel I give simple and easy tips to organize your home. In today's video we are going to see how to fold socks. Simple ways of folding socks. So without wasting time, let's get started. In today's video, we saw simple ways of folding socks. But now the question is how to organize them. Yes, my next video is going to be on organizing your socks. Now that we know to fold our socks, let's see how we can organize our socks in different ways. So, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to share and like my video. Thank you. See you next Saturday. Bye.